Namaste, my name is Sahil Sharma and I am the Executive Sous Chef at JW Marriott, New Delhi, Aerocity. Today we would be doing a festive recipe that's named Bedmi Poori and Pethe ki Sabzi, because we are stepping into a very festive season with lights and joy. So today I would be doing a very authentic recipe that I trust you have had in your childhood day as well. So now we'll be adding the ghee to the recipe. We'll heat a little bit of ghee. We'll add a little bit of 2 chilies. We'll add methi dana. The petha we will stir first. We'll add a little bit of green chili. So we need to saute the pumpkin first, then we have to add a little bit of your red spices and the turmeric, so it helps in enhancing the colors. Now we'll add a little bit of hing to it. Now we add a little bit of dry Amchur masala, a little bit of chaat masala. We'll add grounded cumin powder. Now we'll add a little bit of tomatoes. Now we'll add a little bit of red chili and turmeric. We'll add a little bit of water and let it cook. Now we will be frying our Bedmi Poori. So we'll do it in the refined oil. So now our puris are done pretty well. So you can see the crispiness on the puris. Now our beautiful Pethe ki Sabzi is ready and we are ready to plate it out. So we will dish it out. I can feel the aromas of the flavors. We will add little freshly chopped coriander leaves for the garnish. Now we will add the puris. So you can cook this recipe for your loved ones and your kids at home. Wishing you a very happy Diwali. Thank you.